Hello, my name is Catherine Eland and I am the founder of SFTA Hypnotherapy Training. And today I'm going to talk to you about the in-person course. This training is interactive, reflective, and occasionally mind-bending in the best possible way. So let's first look at the career as a clinical hypnotherapist. Choosing a career as a clinical hypnotherapist is choosing to work at the kind of intersection of science, psychology, and real human change. Most importantly, it is meaningful work. You will witness people rediscover themselves, regain control, and move towards the future they actually want. Becoming a clinical hypnotherapist is not just about learning techniques. It is about working with real people who are tired of being stuck. You might sit with someone who has not slept properly in years, or someone who has lost confidence and no longer recognizes themselves. And you get to be part of that moment where things start to change. I've been a clinical hypnotherapist now for over 15 years, and I still love it and still see clients today. Now, one of the things that I love about this profession is the flexibility. You can build it around your lifestyle rather than squeezing your life around your job. If you want to work school hours, you can. If you prefer the evenings, that works too. Some therapists see clients 2 days a week, others build a full-time practice. You can work face-to-face or online or a mixture of the both. And you no longer are limited to your local area. So your clients could be down the road or on the other side of the country. And then there's the freedom to specialise. I have supervisees who are working with professional golfers, boxers, snooker players and darts players. So let me walk you through how it all works. The SFTA in-person hypnotherapy training runs over 9 months. We meet for 1 weekend a month, giving you time to take things in properly. Across the course, you will complete 120 hours of classroom learning. There's theory, discussion, demonstrations, and lots of practical work so you can build your confidence. Between the modules, there is structured home study and practice. Now, we have schools throughout the country with new intakes starting in April and September. So wherever you are, there's usually an option that will fit with you. So let's look at the key stuff. Firstly, the syllabus. So modules 1 to 3 introduce the foundations of Solution Focused Hypnotherapy, what it is, focusing on the science of the brain and how it is applied in clinical practice. Now, this is the part that usually surprises people. From the very first weekend, you will be practicing trance. Yes, straight in, no watching from the sidelines, wondering when you're going to be ready. You will be ready enough. And this is how we build your confidence. What makes SFTA training different is the breadth of what you will learn. You are not taught just one set script. You will build a real toolkit. We will teach you about mindful hypnosis, positive regression therapy, parts therapy, urge surfing for habits and cravings. And we'll also focus on how to work effectively with neurodiversity. And we go further than just the basics. You will learn solution-focused walking therapy, which quite literally gets people moving, taking therapy out of the clinic into nature. And we cover hypnoesitherapy for pain relief, which is unique to SFTA. And throughout the course, you'll learn how to properly integrate hypnosis with solution-focused brief therapy, where conversation and trance work together. So, what do we do between the modules? So even as students, you'll be working with real issues after module 3. We don't forget you. We look after you as students, so you'll be receiving some self-care on the course. How do we support you and how do we assess you? You'll be happy to know there's no final written exam. We assess you through the course, and your lecturers will also be on hand even between the modules. Now, we have something called The Hive, and The Hive is like an online learning and support platform that runs alongside your in-person training and when you graduate. And it is where you have access to course materials still, slides, recordings, demonstrations, research, reading list templates. So if you miss something in class, or perhaps you want to go over a topic, it is all there and you have free access to it as a student. We have recordings on there, so you can't remember how to deliver a phobia session, you can recap by watching a live video. We have many free CPDs on demand now, keeping you up to date with new techniques. We also have lots of templates on there to help you with your marketing, so you can get as many clients as you need. And we also have a wide range of case studies. These include examples of more unusual presentations and clients perhaps with more complex or challenging conditions that can help you. So let's have a look at the qualifications, and this course offers the highest qualification in the UK at this time. So on the final day of the course, you'll receive your SFHD, that's your Solution Focused Academy Hypnotherapy Diploma, and also you can achieve your HPD, accredited by the National Council of Hypnotherapy, and that's the completion of a portfolio with 4 case studies to submit. You'll also get free membership to the APHP as a student. Also free membership with the NCH as a student, and you can upgrade once you've qualified. And after Module 9, you'll be able to join the CNHC, which is the Complementary and Natural Healthcare Council. And you can even join the GHSC, which is the General Hypnotherapy Standards Council. So payment options, you can pay up full if you wish. You do not need to do that. You can pay monthly if you prefer. And if you pay up front, there is a small discount of £100. Or you can go down the monthly payments route by paying a deposit when you are accepted on the course and then spreading the term over 10 months. There is also a large discount of 15% if you sign up 3 months before the course starts. And even as a student, you can actually start to recover some of the costs by charging half price after Module 6. Half price for us is around about between £30 to £40. So the next steps, if you are interested, you might want to visit your local school on an open day to watch us teaching, or you can talk with a previous graduate, which will give you the real story. We do interview all our students. It is an informal interview before we accept you on the course, but there is no previous experience required, just a genuine desire to learn and become the best practitioner that you can be. And if you would like to contact us, you can email us on info@sfta.co.uk or call me on 0345 257 0056 for a chat if you would like to. So, I hope that helps you make a decision of whether the in-person hypnotherapy training course from SFTA is for you, and thank you for watching.